You are going to love the 2017 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.